Hey everybody, it's Chris from the Droning Company here at CUAV 2023 in Las Vegas, Nevada. Talk about friendly faces, friends of the Droning Company, running into Kelly from Teledyne FLIR. Very nice to see you again, my friend. Absolutely.
Yes, absolutely.
So we've got our hands on a SIRAS, and we're going to be having some review videos coming to the channel, as well as the Drone Geeks channel in the very, very near future.
I heard you actually like it quite a bit.
I actually do love this drone. Not to spoil anything, still go watch the reviews, but this is an amazing piece of tech that I've had the opportunity to use myself. Now, for those of you, or those people that may not be aware of what the SIRAS is, what it's capable of, tell us, give us a little bit of a profile. What does this drone do?
All right, so it's for commercial pilots, Part 107 kind of folks. Public safety, infrastructure inspection are the primary customers. Okay. It's being used throughout the country. A lot of law enforcement down in Florida because of the Florida drone law. No Chinese drones allowed in Florida anymore.
Absolutely.
This is not a Chinese drone. It's made by our partners in Taiwan and by us in California, so kind of a hybrid deal there. Does not connect to the internet, so your data is totally secure. There's no way to hack this. There's no way to have trouble with the data. It's all recorded to an SD card on the drone, which is where it stays until you put it into, hopefully, FLIR Thermal Studio, which is our post-flight processing software. Allows you to do great reports and organize all the many pictures.
Sure.
So your data is totally secure and under your control. No geofencing. Awesome thermal camera. People say, you know, you guys used to sell thermal cameras at a certain price. Now you've got a thermal camera, it's great for the same price, and a whole drone is attached to it.
Yeah.
So, and that's the third thing, is the price. It's under $10,000. So it's really meeting people's budgets, particularly in public safety.
Yeah, absolutely. And you know, the one thing that I really appreciate about it, from a guy that's been using his drones for photography, for video, somebody that started in that consumer prosumer space, and if you're looking for like an enterprise solution to step up into the market without breaking the bank, this is like an all-in-one solution. I mean, it's got a lot of power to it, and it's got thermal, and that's a lot. There's a lot of demand for thermal. It's crazy.
640 by 512, radiometric, spot meter, regions of interest, isotherms. So if you're an inspector, you're a drone service provider, you're being hired to go look at bridges or power lines and do surveys, it's a great drone for you.
Yeah, absolutely. This is a great tool, and if you're looking to transition into that, or if you're somebody that's well established in enterprise operations, this is an awesome drone to transition to, because the transition takes almost nothing. It's got an awesome ecosystem, which you can see in the background here. Tell us a little bit about what this setup is, what we're looking at here on the screen.
Well, we're looking at the thermal picture, and I can put it over into the visible. Let's get rid of all that stuff there that helps us record. So there's the visible. You know, it's your basic drone.
Yeah.
It pans, it tilts, it yaws, it flies, you know, away from, you know, beyond visual line of sight. But don't do that.
Don't do it.
Don't do that. No, I mean, we've got people down in Texas in the wide open prairies that have put it out 5 miles. And it's maintained connection.
Sure.
The most I've flown it through the rolling hills where I am is about 2 miles.
Okay.
That's more than you need to go look at things and get the job done, right? In an urban environment, any drone is going to be less than that because of all the interferences there. So this is like anybody else's drone, but just at a great price with this amazing thermal camera. And all the bells and whistles that you'd want.
Yeah, absolutely.
To get the job done.
And I think that's really a testament here to what we're looking at with the SIRAS. Is it's at a nice barrier of entry in terms of cost. You know, you're getting what you pay for. It's a high enough ticket item that you know it's going to be high quality, but it's not going to break the bank. And on top of that, the ecosystem and the UX that you experience when using this it's super easy to transition into, no matter what you're used to flying. So now, what are we looking at here?
Well, I'm going to back away and just. Let's not do me.
Are we gonna do? Don't do me.
Well, let's just get down the hallway there and just the zoom. So I don't know. I like 64x.
Yeah, absolutely.
And that's getting you all the way down the road there. It'll go up to 128 zoom factor, 128x, and looks great. And you were talking earlier, what's coming? Better zoom is what we're working on now.
Yeah.
So that's seamless keep the resolution together as you go out even further with the zoom. I want to be able to read a license plate if I'm a law enforcement personnel 500, 600, 700 feet away.
Yeah.
That's what we're working on for 2024.
Absolutely, and what's cool is Teledyne FLIR has such a cool reputation, especially in public safety and response, because your thermal solutions, your cameras have been sort of the industry standard for a very long time. Now, I have some police officer friends that caught wind that I've got a SIRAS and I'm reviewing it, and of course they reached out to me and they said, hey, can we...
Before you return it,
right.
Can you send it over
right.
away?
So
we get that a lot, actually.
And speaking of that, people want to reach out, learn how they can maybe get their hands on this, they want to purchase, they want to just test fly, where do they go?
So there's a network of distributors that handle it.
Okay.
They're all here. Our master distributor is DSLR Pros out of Los Angeles, so you can go right to them. You can go to Lone Star Drones in Texas, Drone Nerds in Florida, Florida Drone Supply, DroneWorks. I mean, they're all the great guys. So Titletown Drones out of Green Bay was here today. There's a lot of places you can get it from. DSLR Pros is the master distributor, so they coordinate everybody else.
Sure.
But lots of the MSRP is the same no matter where you go,
okay.
which is $9,700.
Okay.
Right.
Excellent. Well, hey, thank you so much, Kelly. It's always a pleasure seeing you guys. Absolutely. Thank you.